Hey y'all, it's Rose, and today I'm going to teach you how you can use your rent that you pay every month to actually boost your credit and give you an extended history on your credit report. So make sure you stay to the end. I'm going to give you guys an exclusive coupon so you can sign up for just $15 today. So let's get straight into it. So we all know we have to pay our rent every month or mortgage, whatever the case may be. But this one is specifically for my people who are renters and pay their rent on time. If you need to build your credit and give yourself an extended credit history, this is a great option for you. The name of this company is called Rental Karma, and I will link them above so that you can sign up and get the $15 sign up with using this code. Now, the way that Rental Karma works is it is a company that reports your rental history to the credit bureaus on a monthly basis. Now, once you add this account on your actual credit report, it can boost you up roughly anywhere to about 20 to 40 points once it's added to your credit report. Now, the reason that this is important is for my people who need to reestablish, rebuild, or you just need some more history on your credit, this is a great way to allow you to build it up. Now, once you sign up for the account, they are going to verify where you currently rent, and you can be renting at a home, and you can also be renting at, an apartment complex, of course. They're going to contact whoever the owner is of that property, and they're going to verify all the information as far as how long you've been renting there, your on-time payment history. Now, how long you've been renting there is one of the most important things. That's the first thing. The first thing is they report how long you've been there. Now, the reason this is important, so let's say I've been living in my apartment for 2 years. I decide I'm going to sign up for Rental Karma. They verify that all my information checks out. When they report this trade line or account on my credit, I am automatically going to get 2 years of on-time payment history as long as that's what's being reported from my apartments. So I automatically am backdating my credit history 2 years as soon as I add this account on my credit, which is a great option for anybody who needs to reestablish positive credit because you're automatically about to get 2 years of positive payment history. Now, when you sign up, if you use the code that I give you guys in the description, I'm going to link the sign up as well. You sign up for $15. And then after that, it is $8.95 a month, each month that they continue to report your positive payment history. So even after your first sign up, you're only paying about $9 a month, which is a steal to be able to backdate your history and boost your credit. Now, the second thing we're going to go into is how it helps boost your credit. Because this is a credit builder account where they're actually going to show, hey, you're paying a company on time, you're paying them back without any problems. Once you add this account on your credit, it is going to report within 30 days, could be less. And once it does, because you're adding that positive account on top of adding whatever rental history you have to go along with it, it's automatically going to boost your scores up. So for my people who need to reestablish positive credit, this is a great option for you to start building your credit back up. And for my people who may already have established credit, but you're looking for a credit booster, this is one of the few accounts I would recommend you to do because you're automatically going to get credit age with it along with the boost. So it's not like you're automatically starting a new account. You're going to get the age that goes along with it. So that is another reason why I suggest that you sign up for them. And last but not least, there are no credit checks. There's no contract, and you can cancel at any time. So if you have a spouse or roommate, you can actually add them on for an additional $5 fee. So I do feel like that is a great option if you and your spouse are looking to build credit, you guys are now able to add that extra person on, and it just ends up being $20 for you to sign up and then an extra $5 on the monthly fee. Now, as long as, like I said, the requirements, you have to currently live somewhere where you are paying rent, and this is going to be an apartment or a home. If you're renting a home, you have to give them the information of whoever the homeowner is, because they are going to contact this person and verify all that. I also want to put this out there because it is on a website. They do say, we do not report rent for so-called CPN. So this is not one of those options, because I know people are going to ask. And they do not report rent for past leases. This has to be a current lease where you currently live and you are currently residing at. And it does not include subleasing. So if you are not currently leasing under your name, this would not be an option for you, because your name and information needs to match whoever is on the actual lease itself. You cannot report this for a friend, and you cannot report this for a business, unfortunately. But I do have an option for people who are looking to report a trade line for your business. I'm going to link it above. There is an option. It is called eCredible. eCredible allows you to use your utility payments that you make on a monthly basis to report as a business trade line. So that includes lights, water, gas. So if you do need something that you use personally that will report on a business trade line, I'm going to link eCredible above, along with the video I have explaining that. But getting back to Rental Karma, this is a great option for my people who need to build their credit. Of course, I'm going to give y'all everything that you need. So if you want to sign up for Rental Karma, I'll put the link above and in the description, along with the coupon code, so you can sign up today for $15, and then after that it is $8.95 a month. One of the cheaper credit builders you'll ever be able to get, and you get to backdate and get that credit history. So let me know that you guys have made it to the end of this video. Type rent in the comments if you made it to the end of this video. If you need me to give you the link directly in the comments, just type rent for me. I'm happy to help. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm just here to be your resource for everything you need that's credit related. But before we end, almost forgot, I wanted to remind you guys, whether you're just getting started or you've gotten a lot of accounts that have come back updated or verified, it's time for you to join my Disputing Academy right now. And it's only $24.95 a month. It's the cheapest credit repair you will ever get. And you get live one-on-one assistance from me on Zoom every Tuesday at 7:30 Central PM. So no matter where you are in your process, I'm going to pull up your credit report with you on Zoom. I will go over each of your accounts, let you know the dispute reasons I suggest you use. I'm going to suggest ways that you can build your credit, and if you have high utilization, I'm going to help you work on paying down that debt. So whatever your credit goals are, I'm going to help you achieve them. Once you've gotten it to where it needs to be, we're going to go over credit card hacks to get high limits. I will help you with the purchase of a vehicle or buying your first home. So whatever you need, I have available for you for the low price of $24.95 a month in my Rose Disputing Academy. I hope to see you there next Tuesday. Make sure you join the group chat once you join the class and register for Zoom. I will link the class above for you guys and in the description. So if you made it all the way to the end of this video, please put a credit card emoji in the comments so I know you made it to the end of this video. Let me know if you want to join the Rose Disputing Academy. I'll see you guys later. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.